Exercise 6A talks about performance obligations and a customer option. In this case, they get a coupon for a discount um, in the future. So the problem reads on May 1st, 2021, Metacomputer Inc. enters into a contract to sell 5,000 units of Comfort Office keyboard to one of its clients, Bionics, at a fixed price of $95,000 to be settled by a cash payment on May 1st. Delivery is scheduled for June 1st of 2021. As part of the contract, the seller offers a 25% discount coupon to Bionics if any purchases in the next 6 months. The seller will continue to offer a 5% discount on all sales during the same time period, which will be available to all customers. Based on experience, Metacomputer estimates a 50% probability that Bionics will redeem the 25% discount voucher and that the coupon will be applied to $20,000 of purchases. The standalone price for the Comfort Office keyboard is $19.60 per unit. So the first question is, how many performance obligations are there in this contract? And it turns out there are two performance obligations here, right? There is the keyboards that are going to be sold, 5,000 units of the keyboards. And then there's also the discount. So so we have to take that into preparation. So now we have to figure out what the value of each of those performance obligations are. Okay, so the value of the performance obligation, the first one is the normal standalone selling price for the keyboards are $19.60. Oops, 1960 times 5,000 keyboards, and that's going to equal $98,000. All right. Then we also have to do the standalone price for the discount. Okay, so the discount is 25%, but they normally give a 5% discount. So that works out to a 20% discount from normal that they're going to give. They expect that to be used on $20,000 worth of purchases, and so that would be $4,000. But remember, they only expect 50% to be used, so that standalone performance obligation is $2,000 on that. Okay, so now we add our performance obligations together, 98 and 2,000 equals $100,000 in performance obligations that we have to deal with. Okay, so the transaction price is $95,000. So we're going to take $98,000 divided by $100,000, or 98%, times 95,000, and that's going to equal 93,100. We're also going to take the 2,000 minus 100,000, or sorry, divided by 100,000 times the 95,000, or 2% of the 95,000, and that's going to equal 1,900 on that. And so then our journal entry becomes cash, $95,000, deferred revenue, for 93,100, and deferred revenue coupons for 1,900. And so that becomes our journal entry on that particular one. Okay, then requirement 3 asks us, assume the same facts and circumstances, except that Meta gives a 5% discount to Bionics instead of a 20% discount. In this case, what journal entry would Meta perform on 2021? All right, since all customers are eligible, so this is part 3, since all customers are eligible for the 5% discount, the Bionics customer is not getting anything special. And so our journal entry in that case would be cash 95,000, deferred revenue 95,000. All right, so that gives you an example of deferred revenue with an option for the customer to purchase more.